Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back at it. Day number 922 of buying $1 of Bitcoin every day. Bitcoin price currently just below 47,000, up about 1% today. We got this cowboy hat formation here. Let's move over to the weekly, up 8%, up about 50% on the monthly. So I have $4,195 of Bitcoin in my balance on Cash App. My Bitcoin owned is 0.089311613. Let's get into buying today's Bitcoin, and then we'll hop into some exciting stuff later in the video. So let's tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased today's Bitcoin. Tap done. Scroll down here, we can see my new balance is 0.089333680. So the big goal that we're targeting currently is 0.09 Bitcoin. That'll be a nice milestone. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,191. 4,191 divided by 922 days equals a 4.54x on my investment. So still doing very well. What this means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.54. Let's go ahead and hop into the exciting stuff today. So yesterday I got my PSA submission back. You can see all my cards here. Just come to 100 Charizards on Instagram, give me a follow, turn on notifications. You can see the cards that I got back there. If you want to watch the entire live stream of me revealing the cards, that's this video right here. You can see with that little icon right there in the top right corner. I think this is like a 20-minute video, but definitely check this out. Give me a follow over here. Let's hop over to TPunks. I'll give this a refresh real quick. This is like CryptoPunks on Tron. Like I said in yesterday's video, these are minting very fast. So I think about 1,000 have been minted since yesterday. But I have 1,000 TRX in my wallet. Let's go ahead and mint another one. Mint TPunk. It's gonna give us our pop-up with the information. Click accept. Your transaction has been broadcast to the network, so it should be all minted. So there is my new one that I've minted. We've got a clown nose, frumpy hair, and cigarette as a female. So hopefully this investment pans out. Hopefully people are digging the Tron punks. These are available at tpunks.com. That'll do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.